Persistence won us the game today. We kept on going. We kept on trying. After countless opportunities missed, you would think Omaseko would be discouraged to still go on and take more opportunities. But he kept on going. He felt that the moment would eventually come, right? And indeed it came, man. These boys have edged their names in history. We, our generation, will be talking about Otapelo Maseko for years to come. Because what they have achieved today is something that no other Bafana Bafana team has been able to achieve. And it's his goal that put us through. Another exceptional performance, man. Ever since he came into the starting 11, he has been nothing short of amazing. A guy who was sidelined by Mamelodi Sundowns forced his move away to get some minutes, to get some playing time, to eventually be recognized by Hugo Bros because he believed in himself. And that belief that he had in himself is finally paying off in the biggest way. What a talent we have at our disposal, man. And I'm happy we get to see him for one more game in this FIFA World Cup. Or even more, who knows?